Hello student, today we will do question number 6 from exercise test yourself of chapter 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. See question number 6. Mr. Richard has a recurring deposit account in a post office for 3 years at 7.5% per annum simple interest. If he gets 8,325 as a interest at the time of maturity, find the monthly installment. See question number 1. Question number 1. Interest, we will use here this formula, interest is equal to P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. I is equal to Pi is given here 8,325. This is equal to P, we have to find P into N is 3 years, means 36 months. So 36 into 37 divided by 2 into 12. R is 7.5%, means 75 by 1000. We'll remove decimal here. 75 by 100. This is now 12 3 are 36, 25 3, 25 4, 40. This is now P is equal to 8325 into 2 into 40 divided by 3 into 3 into 37. So first we will cut by 3 3 are 9. This will cut, this will 9, 9 9 are 81, 2. This is 37. It will divide 925 by 37. Then we will get 25. Now we will multiply 25 to the 50, 54, 100. This will be rupees 2000. It will solve this, calculate this 2000. So P is 2000. The amount of maturity is equal to P into N plus I. So P is 2000 into 36 plus I is given 8,325. We multiply 72,000 plus 8,325. It will add this 3, 2, 5, 10, 8. I repeat this 80,325. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.